Living in a bustling urban area like Laurel, Maryland, can offer a dynamic and vibrant lifestyle, but it also comes with a set of challenges, particularly when it comes to noise pollution. Whether you live near a busy street, a construction site, or a highway, unwanted noise can interfere with your comfort, peace, and even your health. Fortunately, upgrading your Windows to Windows Laurel can significantly reduce noise pollution in your home, providing you with a quieter, more serene living environment. Here's why Windows Laurel are essential for reducing noise pollution in urban areas and how they can improve your quality of life. Advanced soundproofing features. One of the primary benefits of Windows Laurel is their advanced soundproofing capabilities. Traditional single-pane windows offer little resistance to noise, allowing sounds from outside to easily penetrate your home. However, Windows Laurel are built with modern, noise-reducing technology that makes a noticeable difference in the level of sound entering your space. Many of these windows feature double or triple glazing, which involves multiple layers of glass with insulating air or gas pockets in between. These layers act as barriers to external noise, reducing sound transmission. The thicker the glass and the greater the number of panes, the more effective the window is at blocking out noise. By upgrading to double or triple pane windows, you can drastically reduce the noise levels inside your home. Laminated glass for superior sound insulation. Another key feature of Windows Laurel is the use of laminated glass. Laminated glass consists of two layers of glass with a layer of plastic or polymer in between. This design not only increases the window's strength and durability but also significantly improves its ability to block sound. The plastic layer in laminated glass helps absorb sound vibrations, preventing them from passing through the glass. This makes laminated windows especially effective at reducing noise from outside sources like traffic, construction, or street-level activities. By choosing Windows Laurel with laminated glass, you can create a more peaceful indoor environment by blocking out the unwanted noise that often accompanies urban living. Noise reduction for better sleep and well-being. Excessive noise can have a significant impact on your overall well-being, particularly when it interferes with your sleep. Studies have shown that chronic exposure to noise pollution can lead to increased stress levels, difficulty sleeping, and even health issues like high blood pressure or anxiety. By installing Windows Laurel, you can reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, allowing for better rest and improved mental and physical health. Whether it's the constant hum of traffic or the sound of voices from the street, having windows that effectively block out these sounds can make a noticeable difference in how well you sleep at night and how you feel during the day. Improved indoor comfort. Beyond just reducing noise, Windows Laurel also contribute to a more comfortable indoor environment. Urban areas tend to be louder, and the constant barrage of sound can make it difficult to concentrate or relax. With noise-reducing windows, you can create a more peaceful space where you can enjoy activities like reading, working from home, or simply unwinding without the distraction of external sounds. This level of comfort can make your home a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're working, studying, or spending time with family, Having a quiet and tranquil space is essential for productivity, relaxation, and overall happiness. Increased property value and marketability. In addition to improving your home's comfort, installing Windows Laurel can increase the value of your property. Noise reduction is an attractive feature for potential buyers, particularly in urban areas where noise pollution is common. Homes equipped with noise-reducing windows are highly desirable, especially for families, professionals, or retirees who value a quieter living space. Investing in Windows Laurel can give your home a competitive edge in the real estate market, especially if you plan to sell in the future. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes that offer peace and quiet, making windows with superior soundproofing a smart investment in your property's long-term value. Energy efficiency and additional benefits. In addition to reducing noise, Windows Laurel often come with energy-efficient features that can help lower your utility bills. Double or triple pane windows, as well as laminated glass, are excellent at insulating your home, preventing heat loss during the winter and blocking out heat during the summer. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, leading to energy savings and a more consistent indoor temperature. By choosing Windows Laurel, you're not only reducing noise but also improving the overall energy efficiency of your home, making it more comfortable and cost-effective to live in. Conclusion. Windows Laurel are an essential investment for homeowners in urban areas like Laurel, Maryland, looking to reduce noise pollution and improve their quality of life. With advanced soundproofing technology such as double and triple glazing, laminated glass, and superior insulation, these windows provide a peaceful, quiet indoor environment despite the hustle and bustle of city life. Not only will you experience better sleep, increased comfort, and improved health, but you'll also enjoy long-term savings and increased property value. If noise is a concern in your home, upgrading to Windows Laurel is a simple yet effective solution to create a quieter, more comfortable living space.